County in north central Texas until 10:15 p.m. At 9:40 p.m., a confirmed dangerous tornado was located near Brooksville, or 8 miles west of Bridgeport, moving east at 15 miles per hour. This tornado will directly impact Runaway Bay and possibly Lake Bridgeport. This tornado may be moving along Highway 380. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Bridgeport. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lake Bridgeport and Runaway Bay. To repeat, a dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in the air, this is an account from social media. That report has been relayed to us here through our National Weather Service channel station. That could mean that we have a tornado very much close to the Runaway Bay vicinity here on Highway 380. You can see this distinct. Remains in effect for the warm area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. At 9:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Brooksville, or 10 miles southwest of Bridgeport, moving east at 40 miles